Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video by Less Tax to Pay. Today we're going to be looking at QuickBooks Online and uploading bank transactions via a CSV file. But just before I do, I'd like to say thank you for everyone watching, liking and commenting on the videos. We've got more content coming out very soon. Also check out our social media profiles down in the description where you can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, so you can get updates via our videos and other news tips with reference to the tax world. So let's get into the video very quickly. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard here, and what we're going to do is upload some bank transactions via a CSV file because either our bank feed isn't working or the bank that we have doesn't currently have a bank feed inside QuickBooks. We still want to use the feature of the bank feed, just but manually uploading the transaction. So you need to go to banking. And then what you need to do is go over to the right hand side here, click this little drop down arrow and go upload from file. Now it gives you an option. You can get info from the bank, sign in, download the transactions in that format and then select the file, or you can create a bank feed. But this is because we haven't got a bank feed or our bank feed isn't working. So we need to upload the transactions and obviously pay off bills, pay off invoices, do the general day-to-day purchases and just reconcile the bank account. So I've selected a CSV file, as you can see. We click on next. Now it'll ask us which account do we want it to go into. So this is where you select the bank account. So I'll just put it to this one here. And it will go, okay, column 1 is the date. And it's in day, month, year. We've got the description. And then we've got the amount. Now, depending on how your CSV is set, it will ask you that if it's in one column or two column with reference to the figures. If it's in one column, obviously positive and negative. If it's in two columns, it will say which one's the money spent and which one's the money received. So you can then set it out. I'll just do that there. Then I go next. It goes, right, okay, these are the transactions that I've got. So you just have a quick look and you go next. There you go. Now what you can do is go through your bank. As you can see, these are the transactions here. You can then go through and obviously pay them off against bills or invoices that there's money received to pay off, so you make sure your debtors and creditors are correct, and generally then do the bank reconciliation thereafter. You can apply the bank rules, so if you have bank rules already set up, they will automatically apply. If it automatically can match off against any invoices, it will automatically do that as well. So it's not a case of you're stuck because there is no bank feed. You can still apply these rules and make it very quick for you. So it's very easy. So that was it for today. It's a very quick video. Like I said before, thank you to everyone coming, commenting, liking, subscribing to the page. It's very grateful. If you are new here, please subscribe, hit that bell notification. We do all kinds of videos on these cloud accounting solutions, as well as automation tools, which are coming very soon. We're going to soon be doing the mobile apps as well, so walking through how to use the mobile apps, even though they're quite intuitive, but it'll be good to have a reference point. And like I said, check out our social media profile in the description, and you can obviously follow us from there for any news, tips, new videos that have been posted. And until next time, stay safe.